Let us start to solve these challenges. Just go to this challenges section and let us start with basic missions. If you want to access these challenges, you need to log in. If you are new, then just register a new account, then you can log in. Now, let us go to this challenges section. Under this section, let us start with basic missions. Now, these basic missions does not provide any challenging missions related to hacking, but rather it will test if you have any strong foundation before hacking. So basically these, I think we have 11. So these basics 11 test or missions will try to check your knowledge before starting to hack, because the actual mission starts with these realistic missions. Now, you do not have to skip these basic missions because they will be very much important if you are learning the another missions and upcoming missions. So, to just check if you have any basic set of skills related for hacking, these basic skills challenges will help you. What part are you lacking and what should you work on before going into the actual hacking? So it is very important for you to take these all basics first before going into realistic or other missions. So we are going to cover all these basic missions one by one. So let us start with basic 1. So basic test of your skill to see if you can do any of these missions, and we can see the requirements is HTML. You will be given these requirements as a hint for you to start these missions. Now let us click this basic 1 mission. Then we can get this title saying it is a level 1. The idiot test is the title, and the abstract which give us the information about this challenge. Now this label is what we call the idiot test. If you can't complete it, don't give up upon learning all you can, but don't go begging to someone else for the answer. That's one way to get you hated or made fun of. So basically it is an idiot test. So it is going to test you like how easy it is, but it is going to check if you know these basic stuffs or not. So what we need to find in this challenge is you need to find the password. Now if I try to give any password randomly, I'm just pressing all A's, and if I submit it, then I will get a message saying error and it is incorrect password. So I need to find the actual password that I can just type here and submit, and then I get the proper output, the success output. So how can we find the password now? Let us pause this video and think about it, and I will provide you a solution after some time. Just pause the video and think about it. Now, I think many of you have got the solution, but as a hacker, the basic thing that you need to start with if you are just trying to hack the website is to check the code of this particular page. So you need to check what is the code, what is the source code of this page. Now, if you want to check the source code of this page, you can right click on this page, then you can get this view page source option, or you can also click Ctrl+U. Now if I press it, then you can see this is the script. This is the code that is related to this particular page. Now you can see we have these titles, URLs and everything. Now we are not interested in everything. What interests us is this password. So we need to find where this password field is. So for that, in this source code, press Ctrl F to find the element, and this tab will pop up where you can search. Now I want to search password, and after searching the password, you can see we have total 5 elements of the password. Let us go one by one. Here it is the first one where you have a message to enter a password. Next password is right here. This is the field of password, and you can see here above this password field we have this comment, and this comment is saying the first few labels are extremely easy and here is directly a password. Obviously you are not going to have these easy missions in the upcoming video, but for the first video it is showing us that the first and the basic thing that any hacker should do is to check the source code. Obviously the password won't be like this way, but it is giving us a hint that in the first label always try to check the source code at the beginning. Now after checking the source code, we can directly find the password right here. So I can just copy this password and I will paste it right here. I'll submit it. Then you will find a congratulations message. You have completed basic level 1. Now we have already studied about these comments. So they are the way to hide the code in the browser. So you can see this password was hidden because it was commented. So that was the reason we do not see that in the website. Rather it was in the source code only. So in this way we can hide the content using comments.